Everyone, this is an unboxing video for the brand new Jackery Explorer 300. The Explorer 300 is categorized as an entry plus model, meaning it's great for short camping trips. This portable battery will charge phones, laptops, drones, and other devices while out in the wild or on the road. Before we begin, we can feel that the Explorer 300 is very compact and lightweight. As we open the box, we can pull the handle on the top of the Explorer to remove it from the packaging. The Explorer 300 comes with one AC adapter, one car charger cable, and of course the user manual and warranty. We can see that the Explorer 300 has a very user-friendly design, small and light with a durable handle for easy carry. The 300 weighs in at about 7.1 pounds. It is 9.1 inches wide, 5.2 inches thick, and 7.8 inches tall. As you can see here, it is only slightly bigger than the Explorer 240. The Explorer 300 has updated multifunctional outputs. These consist of two 110-volt AC outlets with 300-watt rate power, with a 500-watt power surge. The 300 also has a 12-volt, 10-amp, 120-watt carport, one USB quick charge 3.0 output, one USB 2.4 amps 5-volt output, and one USB-C 60-watt output. The input port is an 8mm DC input. This is compatible with the Jackery solar panel lineup for environmentally friendly charging. There are various ways to charge the Explorer 300. Using a wall outlet, the 300 will charge to 80% in just about 4 hours with the 84-watt max input. With the Jackery Solar Sega 100-watt solar panel, the charging time is right around 5.5 hours in broad daylight. The car charger will give it a full charge in 5 hours, and a generator will charge it in 4.5 hours. The Explorer 300 incorporates MPPT, or Maximum Power Point Tracking technology, which optimizes solar energy and charges the power station much more efficiently. The Explorer 300 is reliable and safe. Battery management system and pure Cinewave inverter protect your sensitive devices from damage. Here is a direct comparison to the Explorer 240. The Explorer 300 has larger capacity, higher wattage, more outputs, an extra AC outlet, and faster charging times than the 240. With all of these extras, the Explorer 300 is just $100 more than the Explorer 240. The Jackery Explorer 240 is entry-level in the Jackery product line, while the Explorer 300 is the entry plus model. With such an incredibly small footprint, the Explorer 300 is a perfect companion for short adventures and camping trips. Thanks for watching.